Self-practice 1.1, question 1, let's go. State whether each of the following relation is a function. Then state your reason. Okay, so how to know if it's a function? Only one-to-one or many-to-one are functions. That means one object can only have one image. If one object has two images, not function already. Okay, so this is one-to-one, so this will be a function. This is this is many to one. You see, there are two objects leading to one image. So this is a many to one function, still a function. Okay, because if you come back to this, one object only has one image. This object only has one image. So it's still one object has one image lah. But if you look at number 3, C, one object has two different images. This one cannot. Okay, one object cannot have more than one image. So this one is not a function. Okay, so how to write? So 1a, you can write it like this. You can say yes, because every object only has one image. Then you can add, even though 7 has no object. Okay, B will also be the same. This is yes, because every object only has one image. You can just copy this lah. Okay, I just copy this. Because every object has one image, and that's it. You don't need to explain further. For C pula, you can say this is not a function, so it's no. Where's the eraser? Okay, no, because one object has more than one image, so it's not a function.